Is it recording? Oh, yeah. It is.
Stop smiling, Kitty. Your eyes are like crinkling.
Because you know when you do someone's eyes and then their eyelid lifts up and you just see like their white eyeball because their eyes are rolled back. That's what you.
Holy shit.
I think put on one spot
So my bitches.
Make yourself busy. Straighten
Why
your
don't you
hair.
use this one? I think. Shut up. So if you can move her one more time while I have an eyelash or something.
That's not an eyelash. That's a brush her.
And then he ate! And then he ate! What? Close your eyes! I'm not doing anything.
You guys smell like candles. That's what I mean. Did you see that?
No. I didn't see anything, you douche.
My eyeball lifted. The lid. When are you going to do the other eye? Or are you kind of doing that half makeup look?
You okay there, Minnie? Good. What the fuck are you in your room? Why are you in there? I hope they saw that on the camera. I don't think they did.
The camera's like...
The camera's on?
It's there.
What? Close your eyes, Kitty. You're filming this? Yeah.
And then he just casually walked in front of the camera like 20 times.
I did. I didn't know.
I hope it's not too dark.
It is. But it looks really pretty. It's a really pretty dark. It's really nice. Oh, I would blend the purple. I don't want to. I want her to have like a cut. Okay, no. That's fine.
You do the other eye now.
No.
What are you going for?
Are you gonna put
I'm
it
using your brushes.
under her eye more? Yeah. Hey! You're recording. Why are you recording? Because that's gonna go on our channel. Oh my god. Please edit all the parts where I was like... No. Am I in it right now? Can you check to see if I'm in it if I sit here? You're not in it right now.
Is it too dark?
It's dark, but I think you went a little too high, Lydia. No.
I told you not to go high.
Because it has like a weird like eyebrow shape.
I have a perfectly fine.
I definitely went high. It's just going even higher.
Okay.
It's gonna touch your eyebrow.
Stop! You guys.
It's not like that. You want to look at it? You can look at it and tell me. No, don't.
Okay, as long as it's not too dark and you're not touching my eyebrows.
It kind of looks like it. It does not. Why are you looking at me like that? Because she's like waiting for you to make a comment. You're not really saying anything. Like, it's too dark.
I need approval. Ew, what's with that face?
Yeah, I don't know. She wants to that.
Chachi, did you go too high?
She did. I did it! It's not even in her... Whatever.
I told you not to go too high. Alexa, play Despacito.
Despacito. Mini champagne pop. It's yellow.
I don't want champagne pop. I'm wearing blue.
What?
Champagne pop is like orange. You have to wear something. It's like bronze. Tyler, bitch. Make me fucking glow so that the aliens can see me from space. See, this song sounds like so much better in the beginning.
Right into the camera.
Your camera still on?
Yeah.
So I did that entire thing?
I think I did a good job.
How does it look?
Looks good. You just need lashes. Oh, actually, it does look really good. It was the angle that I
Okay,
was
what lipstick am I wearing?
at. Nude.
No, should I wear blue?
No. Nude.
I think you should. You can wear. You want my purple metallic one? That one go.
Blue?
Nude.
Mommy,